In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated Outlook inbox manager in n8n. By the end, you'll have a clean, hands-off system that watches new emails, flags what matters, and organizes everything for you. Start by opening n8n and creating a new workflow. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Think of this as the container that holds all the steps your automation will run through. Next, add the trigger that starts everything. Click the plus button, search for Microsoft Outlook Trigger, and choose the new email event. Connect your Outlook account when prompted, and grant the necessary permissions. Once connected, this trigger will fire every time a new email arrives, so your workflow is always listening in the background. If you see options for folders, you can leave it at the default inbox or narrow it to a specific folder, depending on your setup. Now let's separate the signal from the noise with a filter. Add an if node. Set up a condition so the workflow can tell which emails are important. For example, you can check if the subject contains the word invoice, or if the from field contains your boss's email address. Configure the if node to match any of these conditions, so it catches either case. This creates two clear paths: important emails that pass the test, and everything else that doesn't. With that in place, it's time to organize. On the path where the condition is true, add a Microsoft Outlook node. Choose an action that fits your routine, such as move message to a folder, add category, mark as read, or even send reply if you want an automatic acknowledgement. In the message ID field, make sure you reference the ID from the Outlook trigger node so the action applies to the correct email. Then pick the specific folder or category you want to use. This ensures your important messages land exactly where they belong. Let's test it. Click Execute Workflow in n8n. Send yourself a test email that matches your filter, like one with invoice in the subject. Watch Outlook to confirm it's moved, categorized, or otherwise handled as you set. If it looks good, click Activate so the workflow runs continuously. You've just built an automated inbox manager that watches incoming email, filters the important ones, and organizes them automatically. No code, runs quietly in the background, and saves you hours every week.